I am Yvonne. I am principal at Kaffour Law Firm. We are located in Dallas, Texas. I'm a certified mediator, family law, and personal injury attorney. On this channel, I teach you and I empower you to resolve your own legal issues. My goal is to save you time, money, and help minimize conflict, stress, anxiety while going through one of the most difficult times in your life. Now, this channel cannot and does not contain legal advice. The legal information is provided for general informational or educational purposes only. Before taking any advice based on the information you receive on this channel, please consult with an attorney. We do not provide legal advice. The reliance or the use of any information on our channel is solely at your own risk. I hear a lot of people speak about attorney fees. Yes, attorney fees are expensive. Attorney fees range from $175 to $400 per hour. You heard me right, $175 per hour to $400 per hour. In California, I hear it's more, about $500 per hour. In today's video, I will help you understand attorney fees and billing so that you can save yourself some money if you retain an attorney. Let's talk about attorney billing. Attorney billings can be either contingency, fixed fee, retainer, or hourly, and attorneys bill for all the times that they spend on your case. We'll talk about contingency. Contingency fees are those fees that are charged in cases like personal injury cases. Attorneys get paid when they're able to collect on your case. It doesn't cost you any out-of-pocket money. Fixed fees. Fixed fees are fees that attorneys set at the beginning of the case. And so attorneys' fees are flat. For example, $2,000 would handle a certain case, and that's all you pay in the case. The third and the most popular would be the retainer and hourly fees. Retainer fees, you pay a lump sum down payment, and the attorney bills you hourly. The hourly rate will be reduced from the retainer. So attorneys bill for all the time they spend on your case. That means that if you call your attorney, if you text your attorney or email your attorney, unannounced visit, scheduled visit, everything your attorney does on your case is billed. And so your attorney may bill you in increments of 15 minutes or 10 minutes. It's important that you know what your contract states. If your contract states your attorney bills in increments of 15 minutes, then you need to be wise when you spend your time calling your attorney. Make sure you outline all of the information you're seeking and get that in one call so that your 15 minutes is used wisely. Don't call and spend 5 minutes and then call tomorrow and spend another 5 minutes. You will be billed 15 minutes twice. Now, again, this means that if you decide to send your attorney a long email with the same issue every day for 7 days, you may be billed 15 minutes for the hourly rate. Let's calculate $250 per hour. 15 minutes times $250 per day for 7 days just for an email. Asking the same question. Now, consider jotting down all of your questions, then request a 30 minutes consultation with your attorney. 30 minutes meeting. That saves you more time. It saves you more money. Let me give you an example. The issue in the case is who gets to keep the old 65-inch TV with a value of $350. Both parties want the TV, and both parties are paying their attorneys for about an hour and a half, billed at $400 an hour, $300 an hour for calls and conferences just to resolve that issue of who gets to keep the 65-inch old television. Consider letting go of that TV and gift the TV to a family member. Come to an agreement, gift the TV to a family member. Come up with a plan. You retain your attorney and your attorney tells you that your facts are based on bad facts. You are likely to lose in trial. It is important for you to listen to your attorney. They are the licensed professional. And so in a case like that, try mediation. Otherwise, if you decide to go against your attorney's recommendation, you're paying hourly for a case that you likely will lose. Don't ask your attorney for blood when you don't have the funds to pay the attorney. Or else you have the funds to pay the attorney, but at the end you regret paying the attorney. It is important that you listen to your attorney. If you have bad facts, it's important to just work through settlement. Another point, don't be motivated and driven by your own pain or your desire to hurt the other party. It costs too much to do that. You have to pay your attorney for every time they spend on the case. If your desires are driven by your emotions and your pain, it gets you nowhere but costs you a lot of money. Now, one of my memorable cases was a disputed case. My client paid me significant amount of money in retainer, and he and his wife met for coffee throughout the duration of the case. They finally brought the attorneys an agreement. I didn't use up the retainer. You guessed right, he got some money back. So when you file a case and you understand that your attorney bills for everything they do on your case, you might consider taking the other party out for coffee. It's possible you may settle the case and save yourself some money. If you know better, you should do better. Anyone who spends more than the necessary amount of money they need to spend on a legal issue steals from their children. And so again, you know better, do better. If you have not done so already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell notification so that you are notified when I post a new video.